Hello everyone, good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time of watching me, please don't forget to subscribe and like and share this link to others. Today I will be making sausage egg roll. If you want to see how I make this sausage, please stay tuned and watch till the end. I will be using boiled egg and I will be using cracked egg. I have cracked egg in my bowl. I will be using sausage as well. I'll be using sausage. I have meat sausage. If you don't like meat sausage, you can use chicken sausage. I will be using flour. You can use any kind of flour of your choice. I'll be using bread crumb. That is my bread crumb inside my bowl. I will teach you because the sausage have skin. I will use my knife to cut off the skin. You can use scissors as well. Just use the knife so that you peel off the skin from the sausage. I've peeled the rest already. I just have this one left. My hand have been washed. Just please wash your hand and put a little bit flour on your pan. Add flour on your pan and place the sausage on your pan and try to press down and add the egg in the middle and try to cover it. Please cover it very well. um I will do the same to the others. This sausage egg roll is very nice. You can try this recipe. You can try to prepare it for your kids. Your kids will love it. You yourself will love it too. Please close it properly. At this point, please start by preheating your oil. As you can see, I have my oil inside my pan already. I've started preheating my oil. I will allow it to hot. Take the sausage and put it inside the egg. I'll be using spoon. I think my hand is better. I will rather use my hand. You can use your hand as well. I just think that is better for me to use my hand. You can see I just put it inside the bread crumb. This is the bread crumb. You can find this bread crumb in the supermarket, any shop, you can find it there. start frying. Please fry in a low heat. At this point my gas is low. We just need the heat to cook the sausage egg roll. Don't high your gas so that the egg roll will not get burned. Don't high the gas if you don't want your egg roll to get burned. I'm adding the second batch. And stir. This is the sausage egg roll is ready. You can see it's ready. This is how it turns out. Very nice, beautiful color. You can see inside is properly cooked. The sausage, the egg. This is it. Please, if today is your first time of watching me, don't forget to subscribe and like and share this link to others. I use this time to thank all my old subscribers and my new subscribers. May God bless you all. Thank you for joining me. Bye.